Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here on the side list we're looking for general settings. So technically I was in general settings but a little bit deeper, but anyway, so in general settings in here you will be looking for at the bottom reset options. Now before you do this, I also want to talk about one more option in here, which is the one above, backup. If you have any kind of data on your device that you would like to keep, you can back it up, and in here it looks like this is Google Backup. So this one, in my opinion, is absolutely worthless. I personally don't enjoy or even recommend backing up your data to someone else's computer, someone that is also obligated to delete this data after a specific period of time, and in addition has their AI servers, because number one, your data can be used most likely to train AI models, which obviously doesn't make it very secure now, does it? So that's number one. Number two is the thing that I mentioned with the data being deleted. So European Union has a law that companies can't keep data for unreasonable amount of time, and I think that reasonable amount of time is like 2 or 3 years, at which point if nothing is done with it, they just need to delete it. So great, you have created a backup of your personal data that then most likely is being used to train AI models, and then when you need it, it's gone and you don't have access. But hey, guess what? AI never forgets. So this is absolutely awful. And what I recommend doing instead is grabbing something like a normal USB cable like this one right here, plugging it in, connecting it to the computer, and moving all the data on your computer manually from the tablet to your to wherever you want to keep it on your PC. This will be the most safe, fast, and secure method you can back up all your data. So anyway, with that being said, let's move over to the reset options. And here you want to select erase all data, factory reset. And it gives you quick info, erase all data, which will include things like signed in Google accounts, not the actual accounts themselves, but just the fact that you were signed in to them here. System of data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. The most important ones being the music, photos, and all user data. So like I mentioned, if you want, back it up. If you don't care, you can select erase all data here. Now if you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it right here. So I'm going to draw mine. It gives me one last message: erase all data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. I'm going to select erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting this device. Now this process will take about probably 1 to 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. So on my end, you can see that I do have a SIM card, so it's prompting me right now to confirm the PIN. I'll just pop that out. Oh, there we go. Good enough. Begun. There we go. So there we go. Now you can see the process is now finished. You can set up your device in whatever way you want. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.